Hello, my name is Peter Parfitt. Welcome to New Brick Workshop. Now this video is aimed at CNC users and it's a very short video because I just want to tell you about two materials which I've found extremely useful to use as the basis of projects on your CNC. And the first one I'm going to talk about is bamboo. Now I was lucky enough to be given some leftover pieces of bamboo from a friend of mine, and it comes in various forms. This is bamboo plywood, where you've got lots of flat layers of bamboo glued together, and this is something similar, but the layers are vertically glued together. And the great thing about it is this material is extremely strong, and I've used it to make my support arrangements here for my little monitor which sits next to my CNC. And it's a mechanism. It allows the whole thing to move around, and all the pieces here are made from bamboo. I'm not going to go through the detail of how it was made. That's a project which you can work out yourselves, or look at the video I made about it and I'll give you the free plans too. So that's bamboo. It's very easy to machine. You do need decent cutters, of course, but it's so strong that when you want to make something like this is a hinging mechanism. It is absolutely as strong as anything. Now, not so long ago, I wanted to make some coasters, sort of little round mats to put a glass on, or a bottle of wine or whatever. And I thought, well, what material could I use? And I thought, if I used ordinary wood, it wouldn't be very stable. If I used plywood, it might not be durable enough. And so by pure chance, a friend of mine said to me, oh, I've got some leftover bits of laminate flooring. Would you like some? So I said, oh, yes, please. And laminate flooring, if you're not familiar with it, it comes in pieces a bit like this. And it's got a hard outer layer, which it's designed for people to walk on. It's got a core which is probably an MDF type material, and then it's got another sort of layer underneath. So all in all, it's a fairly well constructed product. And it comes in various patterns, and this one's a sort of oak flooring type pattern. So I tried it and I made my coasters, and here's an example of what I made. It was just to celebrate something that the king had done not so very long ago. And I thought, well, I ought to tell you about it. It engraves quite well. You do need sharp tools because this outer layer is pretty tough. And then when you've done the engraving, I got some ink. I got some red ink and put into the picture in the middle, and I got some black ink which I put around where the writing is and these two circular elements here. And by doing that, because of this material, it's designed to be waterproof, I was able then to wipe off the excess ink, and it turned out to be pretty nifty neato. So anyway, I thought I'd tell you about that. You can pick this stuff up relatively cheaply, or if you've got some left over at your house after having a new kitchen floor or whatever. Anyway, so that was the point of this video. Now, I produced these using VCarve, and you can see here an example of it on the screen. And I'm quite happy to supply the Vectric VCarve file, which has got these bits and pieces on it for you to try at home. Anyway, the whole point of this was to really tell you about the two materials, the bamboo and the laminate flooring. And I think the latter, the laminate flooring, if you want to make little coasters or little signs to pin on a door, whatever, it's pretty neat stuff. Yeah, oh, incidentally, I forgot to say that the edge, I put some gold flavoured Osmo on there. It's a little bit of oil with a sort of goldy colour to it, just to seal the edge, so if any water or wine or whatever got on there, it wouldn't stain it. Anyway, there we go. Many thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.